Hey guys, wanted to put together a quick video tonight, just of the spy. I'm gonna do a longer video tomorrow, just kind of explain a little bit more detail on what I think may happen. Uh, but I wanted to just talk about some key levels tonight, specifically in the spy. So you can see here, this is the weekly chart for the spy. Um, like always, red line is a 21 EMA, and then the green line is going to be the 200-day simple moving average. So you can see if I zoom in here, we're um, definitely working our way towards that 200-day moving average. I think we're definitely going to hit around that 350 range. That would be the 200-day simple moving average before we start to see any type of bounce. And to be honest, I wouldn't necessarily think that we're going to have a V-shaped recovery from that 200-day moving average for a number of reasons, which I'll talk through in another video. But um, so once we get under 350, I think we could possibly see a bounce, or we could possibly even go down to 340 before we start to see any type of retrace. And the reason why I'm thinking around 340 is you can see here 350 is going to be your 200-day moving average. We've got some resistance there, some prior resistance there, but if we look at that that 340 um, area, 343 area, you can see here that kind of aligns with a huge resistance level we had back in early part of 2020, where we had a retrace down to 200-day moving average or simple moving average. So between 350 340 before I think we start to see any type of real bounce possibly in the spy. So, anyways, with that being said, like I said, it's short and sweet tonight. Um, Hopefully, you're getting your study on. Tomorrow's off because of Juneteenth, so um, you'll have some time to catch up on the markets there, and hopefully you have a good trading week coming up. And with that being said, I will talk with you guys later.